Hi all, welcome back to Palette Life, and this is Suma Babu. So today it's a different topic. After a long time I'm making a topic on gardening. So this was something I thought of I think when I did the first video of gardening, because I wanted to take this topic as the first one, but I could not make it. So this is the time it seems. So let me tell you, this is going to be a beginner tutorial, those who want to start a garden. So it is very nice to see some plants around us, right? I wanted to help whomever who wanted to start up a new garden. So the topic is how we can start a new garden. But people are thinking that it is very difficult to maintain, and they have so many how to say doubts. So I thought of making this video. I wanted to deal three main questions or three main doubts a beginner gardener will have on this regard. So first of all, where to set up a garden, and second doubt will be what type of plants I can start up with, and the third thing is that time consuming, or is that we have to regularly maintain this garden once we start it. So these 3 points I'm going to discuss it today. So the first point is where to set up a garden. In connection with that, I would like to add one more topic: what type of garden you want to set up. So those who are staying in an apartment, like they may be having very few limited space inside. Sometimes they may wanted to add some greens inside the house, or somewhere in the veranda or in the front of the house, or those who really have a huge place to plant, and what they are going to plant there, because it may not be like fully sunlit, or some shade area also they may be having. So they may be totally confused what type of plants may grow there, so depending upon that, we have to select what type of garden you want to set up. Some may like it. When I started, I was really fond of flowers, so I stay in an apartment, so I bought I can say I invested a really good amount of money in that. I was not knowing anything. I was not knowing the concept of this annuals or perennials, or the seasonal we call it, or the permanent plants we call it. Normal language we can say that. So I was not aware of that. Whatever beautiful flowers I get to see there in the nursery, I used to grab them, and after a few months it may die. So that was the thing, because I don't know how to do my potting mix, and I don't know how to water it. But my feeling was that if we love the plants, we have to water it daily, or twice in a day, or that kind of feeling I was having. So I was really not clear about this gardening concept. But now if I am maintaining a good vegetable garden, that is because of only trial and error method. but now I am confident that what type of plants has to be kept in some area, or what type of vegetables will grow in our place, or what type of flower plants we have to buy for which will suit in our weather conditions and all. So this is one knowledge I wanted to share with you all. So first of all, we have to choose what type of plants we have to keep in our house. Is that some leafy green leaves plant, or is that some flower plants, or is that some vegetable plants you want to keep, or is that some herbs you want to keep at home? So once you choose this category, you have to stick on it. And as a beginner gardener, always go for the minimal level or minimal number of plants in the beginning, because there is a tendency of trying out new things, but don't go for that. You have to wait some time, and how these plants are going, or whether growing, or whether you are able to maintain them, or whether you are feeling that vibe, or how to say that, whether we are able to spend some time on a daily basis to maintain those plants and all. You just have to understand, and then you can take up that in a large scale. So always start with I would suggest 5 plants at a time, means like as a beginner gardener. So if you are choosing from this category, if you want any green type of plants as an indoor plant kind of things you are fond of, select few plants from that. So I don't want to make this as a lengthy video, so I'm not elaborating this what kind of plants you can choose and all. So I'll be making that as a separate video. So choose minimal 5 plants out of it, and if you like flower plants, you can choose some basic low maintenance flower plants for that, and some vegetable garden you want to give or you want to keep, just select only 5 plants for that too. So this is how you have to start off, and after deciding the plants, you can decide the place where you want to keep it. So I can tell you, you can reverse this both the things, because after choosing the plot you can select the plants also, that also will do, but I wanted to consider this this way. So this is my second point. So these 5 plants, where you are going to plant them, whether you are going to plant in a pot, or whether you are going to plant in the mud, or in the land, you have to decide. So that way you can start off. And the third point is maintaining the garden regularly. It is actually it is very important. So see, once you decide it and you fix the place and all, you may buy the stuff, right? You may have to get some pots if you want to plant them in as an indoor plant, and some places if you want to start up a vegetable garden, it's always good to start with, instead of buying this pots and all, you can start with grow bags also. That is not that expensive, so you can try that out, but the problem with the grow bag is that yearly you may have to change those bags, because that may decay in time. So that is how you can start with. So as a beginner thing, I would suggest one more thing here, like if you have any old containers, any plastic containers, or any bottles, any oil bottles, or any cans, or any old buckets, if you have, you can try in that, but make sure that the base is having proper sufficient drainage holes. That is very much required. So because this all things I was not aware when I started, still I have those plants pots. I filled mud, only mud in that pot. Now the mud became like a rock. It became so strong. If I take out that mud, that pot may break. So that is the condition I have. So for as a potting mix, you may have to add some coco peat also, because that is very necessary, very minimal requirement for the plant to grow their roots. So if you are filling the pot only with the mud, what will happen is it become when we pour water regularly, that mud will settle down in place, so it may not leave any air gap or any gap in between. So if there is no gap, it will be very difficult for the plant to root it properly. So if the root is not proper, that plant won't be healthy. So that is one thing you should always take care of. So the coco peats or the dry leaves, whatever it is which is available, even the green leaves which is available outside somewhere, you can mix in the mud so that it gives that some air gap inside the mud. It is very good for the roots to grow nicely inside that. So the your plants will be very healthy. And one more thing you should take care of is that, like some plants may not need regular watering. If you are planting a snake plant, if you are not watering them for a month also, not a problem. So what we call it, we should understand that. So I'll be making another video on what are the plants which need low maintenance. So these are the 3 main tips we should take care of if you want to start up one garden. So all the best for that. If you have any queries regarding this, let me know. I'll be checking the comment box. So that's all for today. I will see you with another interesting video like this. Until then, take care and happy gardening. Bye.